Yeah, Doug, the big question that a lot of these potential jurors are going to hear is, have you heard about this case? And it'll be hard to find someone who hasn't. I talked with a local attorney about how long it might take to go through this 250-person jury pool. But first, I want to get to an interview we had with a Black Lives Matter organizer. She says this trial means nothing to them. So jury selection begins tomorrow. What does this trial mean to you?
It's hard to not have any words, but it really means nothing.
Chanelle Helm, an organizer for Black Lives Matter Louisville, says Brett Hankison's 3 charges of wanton endangerment for firing into an apartment that neighbored Breonna Taylor's is not enough.
She lost her life, and we're charging the man that killed her with the bullets that didn't enter her body.
Attorney General Daniel Cameron has said there is no conclusive evidence that any bullets fired from Detective Hankison's weapon struck Miss Taylor, but a grand jury did find sufficient evidence for the wanton endangerment of 3 people who were next door when the bullets entered their apartment. Selection for that jury will be difficult.
What his lawyers are looking for are individuals who are pro-police, who are biased in favor of the police, who believe that the police can't do any wrong. And if you're the Attorney General, you're looking for individuals who believe that while police have a tough job, sometimes they get it wrong. And sometimes they go too far.
That's why Carl Price, who's running for county attorney, presumes there is an abnormally large pool of potential jurors, 250 people.
Those potentials are going to come in and say, I've heard about this. And that's the number one question that everybody's going to be asking. Have you heard about it? Have you formed an opinion one way or the other about whether Mr. Hankison is guilty or whether he's not guilty?
That process could take days to weeks, but local activists like Chanelle Helm say even if Hankison is found guilty, the verdict won't matter to them.
It still means nothing. It means absolutely nothing.
For her, this trial for the only officer charged in connection to the shooting at Breonna Taylor's apartment is not enough. And Hankison's attorney did request that reporters be banned from the juror selection process, but the judge denied that request. Still, cameras won't be allowed in to view the process. Live at the Jefferson County Judicial Center, Tom Lally, WHAS 11 Night Team, on your side.